Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup taste better. To start, always choose the ripest, most flavorful tomatoes you can find. They are the heart of your soup. Roasting them first with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper for about 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit will concentrate their natural sugars and create a richer, more complex base. This simple step makes a huge difference in the final taste. Next, let's talk about building layers of flavor. Sautéing finely diced onions and garlic until they are soft and fragrant creates a wonderful aromatic foundation. Don't forget to add a tablespoon or two of good quality tomato paste and cook it for a minute or two to deepen its flavor before adding your liquids. Fresh herbs, like basil or oregano, stirred in towards the end of cooking, will brighten the entire dish. For that irresistible creamy texture, you have a few excellent options. Stirring in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream or even full-fat coconut milk at the end of cooking will add a lovely richness. If you prefer a dairy-free option, a small roasted potato or a slice of bread blended into the soup can provide natural thickness. Remember to blend your soup until it is perfectly smooth for a truly velvety mouthfeel. Finally, let's perfect those finishing touches. A generous swirl of high-quality extra virgin olive oil just before serving adds a beautiful sheen and a peppery note. Garnish your bowls with fresh basil leaves, homemade croutons, or a dollop of creme fraiche for an elegant presentation. This easy method ensures your homemade tomato soup will be incredibly flavorful and satisfying every single time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.